Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Triple R Talents back. Hope you all are well. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show how to draw a handsome boy with dark and black hair easily and step by step for beginners. However, in this video I use charcoal pencil for creating much dark hair. By using charcoal pencil you can also make your arts much darker, because charcoal pencil is the most darkest pencil. And guys, if you want to draw this, so you have to follow all these methods what I'm showing in this video. By the way, for blending I use tissue paper and blending stamps, and guys, it really take a lot of time to create such attractive and dark arts and drawings. So if you really think that I deserve more likes and subscribe, so guys, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you can receive new art videos installed from my channel. And if you have any problem in drawing, so you can just text me in comment section and I will help you there.
Am I the only one moving towards the finish line? Don't even care if I'ma lose it, I just want to feel alive. And gravity can't stop me from flying. I'm reaching, I'm climbing. The heavens aren't that far away, 'cause I've got the future set in my mind. Say I can see the future, and it's all mine, all mine.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what I do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not